Now the columns can also be sliced out. So when we wanted to display the contents of the data set, then not only all the columns, we can also print only some selected columns. That can be done by using this tag. Sorry, that can be used by that can be done by specifying the column which we wanted to display. So when we take tags tables, tag column and get the first 5 data points, you can see that they are displayed as series because you are using only single brackets here. If you use a single bracket here, single bracket pair here, then it displays all the tags tables, tags, first 5 tags because you are using head. Here it displays the first movies tag, second movies tag, third, fourth, and fifth movies tags are being displayed, but they are treated as series. Now, if you wanted it to be displayed as a data frame, then you can just give double brackets here and execute, and you can see that it is displayed in the form of a data frame. Initially, when we used single bracket, we got it as a series. Now we are getting it as a data frame. Before it was a rank 1 matrix, now it is a rank 2 matrix. That is the difference. Now not only single column but multiple columns can be selected and retrieved in order to display. In this case, we are getting both title and genres column, and that is being displayed. Now, not if you want not the first 5 data points, but the last 10 data points from the tail side. If you want the last 10 data points, then that can be given by slicing here again. Ratings. What is the slicing that we opt for? You want all the rows from the last up to 10 rows and all the column values from last 10 rows, but all the column values that can be given in this slicing. So we can see that from the last, all the 10 data points are extracted with all the column values in it. Now we can also apply filters for selecting the rows. Say you wanted highly rated movies. Many of the audience have given different kinds of ratings, and it includes ratings from on the scale of 1 and 5. But if you wanted higher ratings, then you can take you can get them by applying the filter. In this case, you are creating a filter on the ratings table, on the rating column. You are applying a filter for values greater than or equal to 4. So you want all the ratings from the ratings table which are greater than or equal to 4. So we create that filter first and store it in an object is highly rated, and that object you are applying on the ratings table, and some data points will be extracted according to this filter, right? From that set of data points we are extracting some data points randomly between 30 to 50 rows. When you execute this, we can see 20 data points are extracted because we have given 30 to 50. So 20 data points are extracted, and all these data points ratings are either 4 or greater than 4. This happened because we have applied this filter on the ratings table. Okay, this is how we can create filters and apply it on the tables. Sometimes you may be interested in movies with specific genre. Some like horror movies, some like animation movies, some like comedy movies, right? In such cases, if you want to locate a particular genre among the genres given to a specific movie, we already noticed from the movies table that for one movie, multiple genres are assigned. But from that, you wanted to locate only animation movies, or at least if the genre contains animation. In such cases, we can create a filter is animation with condition. What is the condition? On movies on the genres column, if the string in the genres column contains animation, then such rows have to be extracted. So once you created this filter, you are applying that filter on the movies table and randomly extracting some 10 rows from the result. So when you execute this, you can see that all the genres here contain animation within multiple genres assigned to each of those movies. So this is how we can extract specific movies belonging to a particular genre. Now, if you, these are random from 5 to 15, what are the rows that are there, we extracted. But if you want the first 15 values, first 15 data points, that also can be extracted. You can see from beginning, all the first 15 data points are extracted.